In this video, I'm going to go over how to extend time on quizzes and tests in Moodle for students with accommodation letters. So the first thing you'll do, you'll sign in to your course in Moodle Rooms. You'll click on the quiz. So I'm going to click here on quiz 9. And you go over to the wheel and you choose user overrides. Now remember, I'm just selecting specific students that have accommodation letters. Usually they have time and a half or double time, so depending on what the accommodation letter says, you would input that here. So I'm going to hit Add User Override. I'm going to search for my students. Okay. You have to do them one at a time. So I'm doing one student first. You can open and close the quiz, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to keep it open. And they only get one attempt, but right here is where you want to hit Enable. And these quizzes are usually 20 minutes in this class, in History 112. So I'm going to make them 40 minutes because the student gets double the time. So depending on what your quiz is set up as, you would make your calculations and then input the number here. Make sure it's minutes, and you're going to hit Save and enter another override if you have multiple students. So I have a second student in this course that needs an extension on time. So I'm going to find that student. Student also gets 40 minutes, so everything stays the same, one attempt, and you're going to hit Save. You'll see here the two students and the time changed to 40 minutes. So everyone else in the class has 20, but these two students with accommodation letters that state they need double the time will get 40 minutes. And that's all you do. And that works for quizzes and tests